Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So on this video, you guys, someone asked me, can I do a review on the Target credit card? So I'm definitely doing a review for you guys. Now, I don't want to waste a lot of time. I kind of want to get straight on into the video. But if you guys want me to make a video about a credit card, definitely drop it down below and I'll make you a video. Let me know which credit card and then I'll definitely do a review on that credit card. So let's talk about the Target credit card. So the Target credit card, they have the $25 gift card right now, you guys. So when you sign up for the Target credit card, you're able to get that gift card. If you shop at Target a lot, I do suggest that you guys actually do apply for their credit card because you guys will save 5% every time you shop. And you know, Target has the free delivery too when you have their credit card. I like to get my groceries delivered, so I like that you guys get free shipping. And don't forget just the 5% in general, 5% off everything. So that's kind of like getting 5% cash back. Look at it like that. Only thing is you're actually getting a discount. You also get more time to return some items. So say if you want to return some items from that you bought, you get 30 additional days. So that is really good. And when it comes down to getting this credit card, they're going to pull your Equifax credit report and look at your Equifax credit score. So I suggest you guys probably have like a 620 or 640 or higher to try to get this credit card. And if you look closely, you'll see that they have debit and then they also have credit. So the credit card is going to be like their regular everyday credit card. The debit card is when they're going to link it to your account, and they're going to use every time you use your Target card, they're going to take the money right out of your account. So it's kind of like just like a debit card, you guys. So if you want to apply for it, make sure you guys are applying for the credit card and not the debit card. Now, a lot of people said that they were able to get increases with their Target credit card, which is really good. So that means some people saying start with $300, start with $500. Some people said they automatically start with $2,000, but they say like every 6 months they get some type of increase, which is really good. When you have a credit card, getting increases all the time is kind of what you want to do. You want to have a higher limit. Even if you're not using it, you want to have it available. So don't forget, you guys are going to get that 5% discount on all your purchases, which is really good. The free 2-day shipping. And shipping may be delayed because of COVID. You know, COVID is delaying a lot of things. You guys won't have an annual fee at all. I always tell you guys, especially with some of the credit cards I review lately, I'm like, you guys do not want to have annual fees. You don't want to pay a lot of money in interest either. But you guys will also get that $25 gift card offer when you sign up. Now, when it comes down to this credit card, I'm pretty sure the interest rate, you know, they're really high. You know, they're going to have higher interest rates. But when you think about it, all you have to do is just make sure that you don't keep a balance on your credit card. It's that simple. So the interest rate is 22.9%. For this credit card. There's no annual fee, which is big. I love that. If you guys are late on your payment, they can charge you up to $40, and then a return payment can be up to $29. So keep that in mind, you guys. But when you have this credit card, just make sure that you're not leaving a balance on it, or you're going to pay a lot of money. You thought you were saving 5%. You're not really saving anything. You're paying a lot of money in interest. But if you guys already have this credit card, definitely let us know your experience. Let us know if you love this credit card. Let us know if there's anything that I'm probably forgetting to say. Well, you know what? There is one thing I didn't say. When you guys have this credit card, you can actually attach it to your app. You can download the app and use you don't have to even carry the credit card at all. They can just scan your phone and then they'll have access to your credit card. So that's one thing I did forget to say, but it's a good thing. But if there's anything else, definitely let me know, you guys. And if you want me to make you a video, make sure you leave it down in the comments. Say, hey, Rickita, make me a video about this credit card. And I'll for sure make you a video. But I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car. They can't get a mortgage. They can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership. And it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below, or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.